Hey my viewers and my subscribers. Now after making this video, my oatmeal coconut cookies, I decided I was gonna try something different. So as you can see, banana oatmeal cookies. This one is a combination of my oats, my banana, nuts, and guess what? As you can see, I have my ingredients here. I will also be listing in the description the amount of each ingredient that is used in this, and you can watch the video as I go along and show you how I bring this cookie to life. Now, I started off with my shortening and butter, and I added a cup of granulated sugar to that, and this is supposed to be whisked until it's light and fluffy. Once you're working with butter and sugar, you know how this works. Combine until it's light and fluffy. When that's achieved, I add my egg, and after my egg, my oats. I also add banana because remember, we're making banana oatmeal cookies. Some nuts is required in this, and you can use the nuts of your choice. I love cashew, that's one of my favorite, so I added that instead of probably say peanut. Not a lover of the peanut so much, so I went with the cashew. So for me, it would have been cashew or hazelnut or some almond. Yup, those are my top three favorites. Now, I incorporated that together. My next step was to sift my flour. Now I'm combining my dry ingredients, of course, and my dry ingredients are supposed to be sifted because I need my flour to be eliminated from all the lumps in it, or the lumps to be eliminated from the flour. Okay, so I added cinnamon powder, mixed spice, and nutmeg, also baking soda and salt, and of course some powdered milk. This is sift, then I incorporate the dry ingredients together. Just give that a good mix to make sure it is well balanced in it. Then I added this to my butter mixture. Just gradually add this in, and of course whisk as I go along. A good option also here is probably just to go in and work with your wooden spoon or your spatula if you don't want to use your mixer for this. As long as it is incorporated thoroughly, then you're good to go. As usual, remember to like, share, leave a comment, and of course subscribe. Remember to also turn on your post notification bell so whenever I upload you will be notified. And guys, I really do appreciate you watching my videos. I appreciate you commenting. I just love you being a part, love and appreciate you being a part of the Yardy Niceness family, right? Okay, so when my batter is finished, when I finish incorporate this, it's just to add this to my baking tray. No, the baking tray is not supposed to be greased, and I actually love that part of this because I use my silicone cooking mat or baking sheet, and it doesn't have to be greased at all. So even if it requires for it to be greased, I don't have to do that because it serves a good purpose. And I love using this. If you've watched a couple of my videos before, you'll realize that I've used this quite a few times because it's really helpful. Now, after I'm finished adding this to the tray, it is just to pop this into the oven and I bake this for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're golden around the sides. And when that's done, I just simply add them on my rack to cool. Now I made these cookies very small because that's how I wanted them. That's it. I hope you like this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to comment and tell me if you did. Enjoy. Bye.